Hello guys, this is Naima again with a new craft tutorial. So today my topic is Teachers Day and Teachers Day is yet to arrive. So if you are confused about what to gift your teacher this year, so don't panic and confuse. See this full video and I hope you will like it. Give a thumbs up at the end if you like this video. Thank you. Take any chocolate and a cardstock paper and mark the both end like this on a cardstock paper. Turn over the cardstock paper like you pack any gift and mark it again. With the help of scissors, cut the stock paper into a rectangular shape. Now stick one end of cardstock paper with the help of cello tape on the back of your chocolate. Cover the chocolate like this. Now cut the excess part and stick cello tape again at the back. Now it's time to decorate your chocolate. Take any cutout you want. I am taking a pencil and a notepad cutout. Check the link on the description for the pencil cutout. Now stick it like this. Now after sticking the cutout, take a marker or a pen and write a small note for your teacher. I am writing Happy Teachers Day. You can write any other note you want. Your very own Teachers Day chocolate is ready.